Hey, hope you're doing well. John with Be Superfly here to talk about Demo 6. This demo is based off the Josephine child theme. So if you haven't checked out the Josephine child theme, check it out. You can go to our site, and it's a massive Divi child theme with tons of options, cool WooCommerce support, etc. Lots of home pages to choose from, other pages to choose from, custom product blog pages. It's pretty dope. So check that out at the Be Superfly website. You can view the demo. Awesome. All right, back to this though. So in this example, you see that our menu starts here at the bottom with our drop downs going up here, and then it scrolls to the top and sticks. So first I'll cover how to get that to work. Now, if this was your main menu for the site, and this was the menu on all your pages or most of your pages, and you wanted them all to start at the bottom like this, you would go to the Divi theme customizer, and there you'd go to the setting, and you would change it here to stick to bottom and scroll. And that's going to, you're going to see it's going to do it with our main here, but that's going to get you the scroll thing. I'm going to change this back to stick to the top. Okay, great. But in this example, or maybe just on your home page, you want the banner to be down here, but then every other page you want to be up top. You know, in that case, you would go to this page directly. So this is demo 6, I believe. You click edit here. So you're in the regular WordPress area, and you see there's a option here. And this is where we're setting, for this page, I want the menu to stick to the bottom and scroll. So this could be different for different pages that you're on. Or like I said, you could set your overall one in the theme customizer to stick the top, but then override that here on this home page, let's say. All right, I'm going to go back. So that covers how to get that feature working. And I did have to add some extra padding here on my page. Otherwise, this was like up really close to the menu here. So just keep in mind you might have to make some room for it. What else here? Let's go into the menu here. So I'm inside the theme builder, and I'm going to go to my demo 6 header. And what I like about this menu is it's got a cool, logo over here type thing. The scrolling thing's great. But then when it gets to tablet, it's like, hey, let's do this. Let's have this bar here and show the menu right here. And you can see on tablet I need to make some more space. I'll probably do that because that's being hidden under there. And then on mobile, it switches to and I'll do it on mobile too. It switches to this view with a super cool, the right background image kind of thing to have these going on. So it's a really cool menu. I like it a lot. Let's see how it was built. All right, I'll just move this over here. Okay. So here I am over here. We got, I believe it's just going to be, let me go ahead and right click, go to layer. In that first column, we just have an image module. Again, you can use our logo module if you want to change the logo on scroll, or if you want to automatically link to the home page, there's a setting for that. But in this example, it's just a regular image. So that's cool. And looks like we're setting by row here. So here I am in this bottom row here. That's what I'm using to turn on or off. So this row here is disabled for tablet and desktop. And then up here we have this row, which is going to, when we get the tablet, it's just going to stack like Divi regularly would, right? So you got the logo here. This column has a background color of the black here. And so that's why when they stack, this column is going to continue to have its black outline. The logo is going to stay here. Then you got your menu. Pretty dope. And then on mobile, this all gets deactivated and this gets activated. And you see we have the stop stacking module here because otherwise your menu would stack like this. And we don't want that. We want this hamburger item to be up here. So if you go in here, this is our inline menu module, and you can pick your menu here, the item alignment that you want, whether or not to show the little caret right here, what kind of submenu transition do you want. I go into this quite a bit in some of the other demo videos. In this case, I'm not going to use menu button 1 or 2, but check out some of the other demo videos to see me use that, and there'll be a tutorial on the tutorials page about these two. But it's a way to highlight, like I could have this by now be highlighted as menu button 1 and tutorials highlighted as menu button 2 and have styling for that. So that's pretty dope. Submenu item text options here for the background color, background hover, and you see all that happening right here. I could add routed quarters to the submenu if I wanted, all kinds of cool stuff. And then when it gets down to mobile, if I go in here, here's my hamburger module, and you could actually, yeah, it looks like I'm using a menu of demo 6. Let me go see how that's different from my main menu. That's interesting because this module, the inline menu module, demo 6 as well. So why are we not using the main one? Oh, I see. So the main one has an extra FAQs thing, and maybe it's making it... Anyway, point being is you can have different pages show different menus in your header, and that's what I'm doing on this page. That's pretty cool. All right. And then even on this page, on desktop, I could show this menu, but on mobile, I could pick a different menu to show. Maybe it's a shorter menu or something like that, but that's pretty cool. Menu button, I can put text here if I want. I can style that text over here with the menu button text here. You know, for example, let's go ahead and say menu right there. There's some animation options you can choose between here. I'll just choose style 3. And then menu button. That menu is cool, but it's not matching my my settings. So Josephine, there we go. Now it's starting to match. Maybe, oh, no, light's a little too thin. Medium maybe. Okay, and then I can add some letter spacing. You know, and try to get. I'm not going to save that though. Let's go back in here. Head over here. Menu background. So here I have just this image, and in the negative space here, I'm showing the menu, so I don't have to do the whole add a gradient trick or anything like that. It just happened to work out really nicely. And I think that's pretty much it. I can decide whether my menu button is going to be square or rounded corners. I think that's it for this demo. Pretty smooth. Okay, but now I want to go and I want to fix that issue of the... Let me go ahead and refresh this. So on desktop, I'm good with this spacing here, but when I get down to tablet and mobile, I'm not good. So I'm going to fix that now. So here we are on the tablet menu kicks in, and it's covering up this text here. So in this example, I need to go to the demo 6 page here and just edit it with Divi. I'll just do that in a new tab. We'll pull it up here. And I'm not going to see the menu down here. It probably is actually there, but it's behind all this stuff. But you can see the extra spacing I did here. Let's go to tablet. And yeah, you can see that spacing is no longer there. I wonder where I put that spacing. Was it? Well, it wasn't there. I think it was on this actual text, actually. Let me see here. Design spacing. There it is, 100. Let's try, maybe 100 will work again, and then let me clean this out for mobile, and let's just see if I luck out, and 100 is what I need for all three. I think I'm going to need more than 100, though, because it stacks on tablet, but then on mobile it goes to one line, and so I might not need as much space. Yeah, so that's a little tight. So for tablet, I'm going to boost that to like 150. Get in there. Okay, let me save that. I can live with that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then when I get down to mobile here, now there's way too much space. So I'm going to go down to like maybe 75. All right, we'll save that, and we'll see how that looks. Yeah, much better. I'll leave it there, but much better. And then that sticks at the top, and it's such a great looking, cool menu. So yeah, that's all for this demo. Thanks for checking it out, and thanks for checking out and buying it or downloading it if you're in membership. Thank you so much. Cheers.